Discovering the marvels of herbal medicine, the mechanisms of action. The age-old practice of herbal medicine continues to capture the interest of health enthusiasts and scholars alike, despite the world being more dominated by contemporary medications and cutting-edge medical technologies. Herbal therapy, commonly referred to as herbalism or botanical medicine, uses plants' therapeutic properties to promote health and treat a variety of conditions. How does herbal medicine operate, though? What is the science behind these herbal cures that have been practiced for ages by various cultures? Let's explore the interesting world of herbal medicine and learn more about the mechanics underlying its effectiveness. The magic of plant compounds, a symphony of phytochemicals. The complex chemistry of plants sits at the core of herbal therapy. Herbs are abundant sources of phytochemicals, which are bioactive substances. These substances not only give plants their distinctive flavors, fragrances, and colors, but they also have therapeutic benefits. Alkaloids, flavonoids, terpenes, phenols, and polysaccharides are just a few of the several types of phytochemicals that can be categorized. Each phytochemical has a unique impact on how the body functions. For instance, the neurological system is affected by alkaloids like coffee and morphine, while flavonoids serve as antioxidants and terpenes contribute to the distinctive scents of plants. These substances work together in various plants to provide a symphony of effects that can be anything from analgesic and anti-inflammatory to antimicrobial and immune-boosting. The whole is greater than the sum of its parts in synergy. The idea of synergy is one of the cornerstones of herbal therapy. Synergy is the concept that a plant's overall benefits are greater than the sum of its constituent parts. Together, different phytochemicals can strengthen the therapeutic benefit, reduce adverse effects, and increase overall effectiveness. Consider the well-known herbal treatment Echinacea, which is frequently used to strengthen the immune system. A variety of substances, including polysaccharides, alkamides, and caffeic acid derivatives, are found in Echinacea. These substances each have anti-inflammatory and immune-stimulating effects. But, when used together in the plant, they produce a potent immune-enhancing impact that is superior to what would be possible if each chemical were used alone. Several paths being aimed at holistic healing. The all-encompassing approach to treatment that distinguishes herbal therapy. Herbal medicines frequently target numerous routes within the body to restore balance and encourage general wellness, as opposed to just treating one or two symptoms. For instance, the active ingredient curcumin is present in turmeric, which is renowned for its ability to reduce inflammation. As curcumin has been proven to influence a number of inflammatory pathways in the body, it can be used to promote joint health, enhance digestion, and perhaps even treat neurological diseases in addition to reducing inflammation. Individualized natural medicine. Herbal medicine is essentially individualized. As no two people are exactly same, neither are their reactions to herbal medicines. How a person reacts to a specific herbal remedy might depend on a variety of factors, including genetics, age, lifestyle, and pre-existing medical issues. The present trend in medicine, which emphasizes the significance of targeted interventions for the best possible health outcomes, is in line with this personalized approach. The function of contemporary research and tradition. The realm of herbal medicine has been significantly shaped by the traditional knowledge that has been passed down through the generations. Indigenous peoples have a profound grasp of regional plants and their curative powers. This knowledge has survived and been incorporated into contemporary herbalism techniques. Also, current scientific study has been illuminating the modes of action of several herbal treatments. Research has confirmed conventional wisdom and advanced our understanding of the efficacy of herbal medicine. By revealing the precise receptors, enzymes, and pathways in the body that herbal substances interact with. Herbal therapy uses the inherent strength of plants to advance health and well-being. It is an enthralling synthesis of tradition and science. Herbal medicine is a unique discipline that keeps developing and inspiring due to the complex interaction of phytochemicals, the holistic approach to healing, and the nature of tailored treatment. The more we delve into the depths of botanical treatments, the more we come to appreciate the wonders of nature and the therapeutic potential it possesses.